How to change a string into uppercase. I have problem in changing a string into uppercase with Python. In my research, I got string.ascii_uppercase but it doesn't work. The following code gives this error message. My question is, how can I convert a string into uppercase in Python?
Use str.upper. C string methods.
To get uppercase version of a string you can use str.upper. On the other hand, string.ascii_uppercase is a string containing all ASCII letters in uppercase.
To make the string uppercase, just simply type. Simple and easy. You can do the same to make it lower too, etc.
For making uppercase from lowercase to upper, just use where string is your string that you want to convert uppercase. For this question concern it will like this. For making lowercase from uppercase string just use where string is your string that you want to convert lowercase. For this question concern it will like this. If you want to make your whole string variable, use
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.